So today we're gonna do a look with the I was gonna say yes to the dress. Oh my god, no. I'm gonna play with the You Had Me at Hello, not say yes to the dress. ColourPop has some really nice shadows, and to be quite honest, this is a very nice packaging palette because I have a lot of palettes that cost more than this and they're not even this like nicely packaged. First time I used it, I didn't really love it. That was my own just personal opinion because I didn't really play with those colors. But today I'm going to play with this a little bit more and see what we come up with. I'm gonna try again with it because I think I just got kind of scared with the colors and I just need to give it another shot. So if you're interested in watching that, then please keep watching. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Porcelain Foundation, and I'm going to draw the bottom of my eyebrow, and I'm going to use that as the base for my eye. And I'm going to use the Morphe M432 brush. I think I'm going to go in with this shade here. I think it's called 2 Peas. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to go and put this in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Winning Ticket, I believe, and I'm going to go on this small Luxie blending brush 237, and I'm going to put that in my crease but just a little lower than the orange. My Morphe brush, and I'm going back into that lighter crease shade that we did, and I'm just going to softenly put that over just so these blend a little nicer together. Mostly the color I was interested in for the look, and I think it's called DTR, and I really want to just put that on the lid. It looks silver, but it's like a brownish silver, if you can see it. Can you see it? Can you? And this is a really cool tone, like it's a cool tone color, so I was kind of a little hesitant to use it with all these warm purples and browns, but I think it'll look good. Going back in with that same Luxie brush, I'm going to go into that dark brown shade right next to it, which I believe is called Sparks Fly. Because what I want to do is darken up the end of the eye, because this look is like really pretty. It's a cool tone shade, and I feel like this brown is enough to kind of connect them. And actually what I'm going to do is just take the brush, and since it doesn't have really any product on it, I'm going to help bring it in just a little bit just to deepen that upper part of the lid just a tad, just so it looks a little more cohesive and it doesn't look like I just slapped a bunch of brown on the end of my eye. Okay. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of it, start in the end of my eye or at the end of my eye, and then bring it in. I wanted it to be mostly concentrated on the outside, but I still want it to look cohesive. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that shimmer shade because I feel like I lost it just a little bit. And then I'm going to take that Morphe brush, the fluffy one, and I'm going to go back in with that original transition shade, the lighter one, and just bring it back a little bit and help, you know, smooth out the ends. And then I'm going to go in with that really, like the lightest shimmery shade in here, which I believe is the Knot. And I'm going to do that in my inner corner. Now for this one, I am going to wet the brush a little bit. I didn't do it on the other one, but I am going to do it on this one. So I'm going to put a little concealer on real quick. And I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. And by the way, this is in the shade Light. And now I'm going to take that shade 2 Peas, and I'm just going to smudge that underneath. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that, the Knot shade again, and put it back in my inner corner. So how are we looking? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? think now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to go in with this IT Cosmetics Brow Power in the shade Universal Taupe. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Colors. Ow, that pinched me. I'm going to go in with that contour shade, and then I'm going to use these colors as my bronzer. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Majorette blush, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And then I'm going to go into this highlighter. It's Cougar Body Shimmer and Diamond Kiss. I'm going to give it a try today, see what it looks like. It's very, very faint. Maybe if I wet it. How about that? Okay, how about... I'm actually just going to cover that with Moonstone by Becca. So it's a little brighter. I think I'm just going to go in with this Wet n Wild clear lip gloss and just coat my lips, because I feel like this is more of a look that I would wear like for an everyday look. I'm going to just, you know, go in with clear gloss. Alright, so this is the look I came up with the You Had Me at Hello palette by ColourPop. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. I had a lot of fun making this look, and I feel like it's a fun everyday kind of look that anyone can really do. And honestly, I think I might start wearing this more. I'm kind of digging it. But I hope you have a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!